Mr. Uceda Zelaya.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sir, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you, sir. Please don't say anything.
So, officers were dispatched to an assault in progress. Officers arrived at Oceanaria restaurant and spoke with a security guard who advised that they kicked the defendant out of the restaurant when it was closing. Defendant was intoxicated. Defendant's friend pushed a security officer, but he did not feel pain. The security guard observed the defendant drive away. Officers located a vehicle matching the license plate and description pulling out of the parking lot. Odor of alcoholic beverage, watery bloodshot eyes, and slurred speech were observed on the defendant. SFSTs were refused, sample was refused, and warrant was obtained.
Look to see if there are any prior DWIs.
I'll take a look right now. You see that?
There's just,
Do you have any traffic infraction? Did you tell me that there was a traffic infraction?
There was not, Your Honor. They were alleging a ABI. The security guard was alleging an ABI. So I can reread it if you want. Officers were dispatched to an assault in progress. They went to the restaurant, spoke with a security guard who advised they kicked the defendant out because the restaurant was closing and the defendant was intoxicated. Defendant's friend pushed the security officer, but he did not feel pain. Security guard observed the defendant drive away. Officers located the vehicle, matching the license plate, pulling out of the parking lot, and that's when they conducted.
What assault are you saying that they were investigating? The one against the security guard?
Yes.
But there was no assault.
Well, it was a class C because there was no pain.
If I may, Your Honor, I believe from the summation, it was that his friend was the one alleged to be the one to push the security guard. So I'm not sure why Mr.
right?
Uceda is involved.
Yes. Says Mr. Croker, which is the complainant, told officer that the defendant's friend pushed him, but Mr. Croker did not feel pain.
Oh,
Mr.
so the
Kroger-
friend. So why is there someone chasing after him? Why didn't they go after the friend?
Okay, so when I'm looking at the sworn statement, Your Honor, Officer J. Puente, which is the officer who ultimately pulled them over, observed the suspect's vehicle that matched the description of the vehicle Mr. Crocker described, pull out of the restaurant, I don't know how to pronounce that word, parking lot, and failed to signal lane change. Officer then conducted a traffic stop.
That's something different.
Yeah. I'm trying to figure
Something
out
different because my curiosity is was there a traffic infraction to legally stop him?
They're alleging failure to maintain a signal, failure to signal a lane change in their sworn statement here. I'm reading it word for word.
Okay. So then what happens after they pull him over and then
Officer then conducted a traffic stop
Okay.
at the 11700 block of North Freeway, North Service Road. Officer identified the driver of the vehicle as the defendant. Officer Puente then observed the defendant to have an odor of alcoholic beverage on his breath, watery bloodshot eyes, slurred speech. Officer detained the defendant.
That's what I was curious about. That's what I was curious about.
Okay, and then he declined everything. So a blood warrant.
Okay. All right. So, Mr. You said I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with you on the DWI. I'm ordering you as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication. I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you're consuming alcohol or any kind of dope, I will put you in jail. Do you have a valid Texas driver license?
yes, Your Honor.
Do you have valid liability insurance in your name?
Yes, Your Honor.
You sure? Because if you don't, I'm going to tell you that you may not drive. Aseguranza.
Yes,
En tu nombre.
yes, Your Honor.
Sure.
Yes, Your Honor.
I want you to check before you leave here today, because if not, you may not drive.
Hold on, this is important. The judge is asking the key question. What was the legal reason for the stop? No assault? The friend was involved, and now a traffic violation suddenly appears. That detail matters more than anything.
You can do it later.
He's just saying that you can't legally drive if you don't have a driver's license and you don't have insurance.
I do it. I do it.
In your name.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. So no drinking, no drugs. You will be randomly tested. Are you a United States citizen?
No, Your Honor.
Are you in this country with or without permission? Understand, the more cases you pick up, the higher likelihood you have of that permission being revoked. You understand? I don't know if he understands.
Yes, Your Honor. I
Please.
understand. No more problem.
No more issues.
No more issues.
All right. I'll have you go to Victoria. We'll have you sign a reset. After that, you'll get with Jeremiah for your bond conditions, and after that, you'll be free to go. Because you have a lawyer, I will waive your appearance. Would you prefer a translator? Porque tú tienes abogado, no tienes que regresar, pero tienes que mantener contacto con tu abogado. Si ella viene aquí y me dice que no puedes tener contacto contigo porque no estás, te voy a revocar la fianza y te voy a poner en la cárcel. ¿Entiendes, Méndez? Okay. All right.
Thank you.
That way.
Thank you, Your
Thank
Honor.
you.